Hello guys, good day. Welcome to Siman Questions. Today we will show you how to test for a deep alarm in EcoSounder. What we have here is the GRC maker and the model is JFE-680 EcoSounder. Okay, first step is to press the menu. Scroll down to alarm and press enter. So we go to the deep alarm and enter again. As you can see, the settings is 2.0 meters. Our current depth is 15.5 meters. So in order to check our alarm is to set the depth setting more than to our current depth. So our current depth is 15.5. We will set our depth setting to 16 meters. Press enter. Press the arrow up to increase the depth setting. So already set to 16 meters, more than to our current depth, and press enter. You can see the depth alarm buzzer is already activated. It means it's working. Press acknowledge and set your depth setting to back to 2 meters. And go back to the main menu. So that's all guys. That is how to check your depth alarm in EcoSounder. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.